Alright people, we're back. Told you, man. More consistency. Hey, why am I working out today? Oh, I think I forgot my... Do I need chalk? No, I don't. Anyway, going to a new gym. I used to work in the place that I'm going to, but it wasn't a gym. Insert clip. So yeah, we're going to this new gym. Do you know, I've never been to a JD gyms before, you know, so first time for everything. Just can't even let the gym name slip already. Sponsor me. No, I'm joking, I don't need a sponsorship just yet. But we're going to JD gyms for first time. It actually used to be at Argos and I used to work in there before. So we're gonna see how different it looks. I might have just showed you the clip of what it looked like before when it was empty and it was closing. And yeah, stay tuned for what it looks like now. Racking. Original. Oh, I'm fuming. I was. Hey, what are we doing now? Boom. Nice and easy. I've been here already, but I know what I kind of want to do. I'm going to jump on the bike for a couple minutes. Don't mind it already. But yeah, let's set up, man. Like, on first view, serious, it's nice still. You get me? Yeah, in the corner. Next up, adios. Over here used to be the thing, bro. Over here used to be the canteen area, man. I used to eat. The room here, the shower, the back door. It goes up and that. Serious though. This used to be like the toilet, the table toilet and that. Another bit. Back though, man. So, you know what I like about this gym, yeah? Using hammer strap. Oh, you've got a seated path, for the leg curl, leg extension. Yeah, machines. Like one-on-one and serious business. It's cutting through still. Yeah, we're gonna get into this leg curl thing. One second. Behind the scenes and that. I think that's where the door was, and the stairs used to go up there, innit? This used to be a flipping delivery in, goods in. There used to be a shutter here, so behind there used to be a shutter. And then we had this bit over this side with racking. Most of it was behind the scenes and that. So yeah, how did you change it? I'm gonna feel this in the morning still. In the morning. I'm gonna feel it still. If I'm going sauna. Coming back, man. Watch man. It's cool, man. If you haven't already, subscribe though. Why the fuck ain't you subscribe?
How you doing, bro?
How you doing?
What's up, man? You alright?
I'm good, man. The main man, the manager.
Yeah, man, come on.
Big dog. What do you think about it so far?
Huh?
What do you think about it so far?
love it.
You love it here, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice, isn't it?
Oh, man, aesthetics, atmosphere is
You
good.
think it's better than...
Of course.
Yeah, you have to say that though, innit?
Oh, no, but for real, like, you know when I went JD Gym Preston, right? Like, to train.
Yeah.
I went there, and ever since going to JD Gym, I ain't going back to Pure Gym or First Gym.
I ain't been to Pure Gym for ages.
Yeah.
Feel that on my chest still. So look, nice got area and that. Bare cardio machine. I'm saying JD Fitness is just serious and that. Very tough machine. It'll stretch area off. If not for that ab store, too tough. Just come at the sauna. Feel good still. Trying to see like the hairline's cooked, bro. I'm seeing it. I'm getting old, man. These are the real facts, bro. Facts are I'm getting old hairline. Jesus Christ. Turkey. Coming.